Alright everybody, so this is going to be our first video where I talk about just basics of reviewing. So I'm going to keep them to one idea at a time. What I want to talk about in this video is protons and how they affect an atom. So we're going to focus on this periodic table up here. It's kind of in the top right. We'll go ahead and move myself so I'm not in your way of seeing that. But we're going to focus on this table up here. We're going to think about what happens as we add protons, neutrons, and electrons, but focus on the protons. So I'm going to add proton here, add a neutron, add an electron. So as we add the protons, we see that the proton changes the type of element it is. Now, I'll come back to other things that protons do in a second, but I want to focus on this right now. So every time I add a proton, it changes the type of element it is. Every time I add a neutron, it does not do that. Every time I add an electron, it does not do that. They have different effects, but only the proton affects the type of element it is. So the element changes. So I can see this, and as I keep going, I keep adding. Every time I add another proton, it moves one more over on the periodic table. So we go from carbon. When I finish adding this one, it's going to get to nitrogen. When I finish adding this one, it's going to go to oxygen. When I finish adding this one, it's going to go to fluorine. When I finish adding this one, it's going to go to neon. All right. So the periodic table is essentially in order by the number of protons. And this is something we can talk about and see if we flip over to a periodic table. So hydrogen has 1, helium has 2, lithium 3, beryllium 4. The ones we just built, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9, neon 10. And it keeps going. So sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, Hello Kitty, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, all the way through oganesson down here, number 118 on the periodic table. That number in the top of the periodic table, that whole number, the atomic number that increases by 1 each time, is the number of protons. And I think that's an important thing for us to know for this. And I think that's about all I have got to say about it. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this and go from there.